Hello guys, this it's Kelly and this is my second YouTube video, and today you can tell by the title we will be doing adding and subtracting mixed numbers. So first, as you can see, I've already written down some of the things. So hope you guys like, share and subscribe to my videos and for more of KKTV. So let's continue. So first, as you can see, you see the definition. So the definition of a mixed number is a number consisting of an integer and a proper fraction. Let's read that together. The definition of a mixed number is a number consisting of an integer and a proper fraction. Nice. So now I wrote some examples of a mixed number. So some examples of a mixed number is like 5.5, 2 1/3, and 1 2/4. So these are the mixed numbers, which are the examples. Now I'll be showing you the adding and subtracting mixed numbers, some examples. So first, adding mixed numbers. When you're adding mixed numbers, you want to make sure you take and put them near each other. So make sure if you can do it your way. So I take the whole number, try the 5 and 2, and put them under the fraction, and I add them. So you know the 5 and 2 would have given you the 7. So that would have been our new whole number. So after we have done that, we come down to a half plus 1/3, which a half plus 1/3 is 2/5. But how do you get the 2/5? You see, we start off by adding the numerators, which are 1 plus 1, which equals you to 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2, which 2 would have been our new numerator. So next we go down to the denominators, which are 2 plus 3, which have given you 5. So 2 plus 3, which are denominator, equals to 5. So our new fraction would have been 2/5, with the whole number would have been 7 2/5. So our new fraction, let me write it right here, is 7. Let me paste this. 7 2/5. That will have been our new fraction, 7 2/5. Now let's do an example of subtracting mixed numbers. So subtracting mixed numbers. So it's the same concept of adding mixed numbers, but you do the same thing but a different sign, a different operation. So we will start off by taking the whole numbers, which are 2 and 1, and subtract them. When I'm normally subtracting or adding the whole numbers, I normally put them in like a bracket to show like they're the whole numbers. So after I've done that, 2 take away 1, which is equal to 1. Then I take my time and come down to the fraction, which is 1/3 and 2/4. So after I've done 1/3 and 2/4, I subtract 1/3 and 2/4, which equals me to 1/1, which is equal, so 1/1 is equal to a whole. So our fraction would have been 1 and 1/1, which is equal to a whole. Let's write that right here. So we have 1 on 1 over 1. 1 on 1 over 1. Just paste it. Right here, sometimes it doesn't go small like this, so you guys have to bear with me. Just know that it's 1 over 1. 1 and 1 over 1, which is equal to 1 whole. There we go. So now, as you guys can see, I have some work here. I didn't actually finish. I'm going to write the answer, but you guys have to go tell me the answer. So here we have 2 additions and like a subtraction. No, actually 3 additions and a subtraction. No subtraction. So our first one is 4.5 plus 6 1/3. So you remember that we start off with the whole numbers, which are 4 and a 6 equals to 10. So 10 is our new whole number to the fraction. Now we take our fractions, which are 1.5 plus 1/3 equals 2/5, or 2 over 5. So if you guys can tell me, let's see, what would have been our new fraction? Well, if you guys said 10 2/5, you are correct. If you said 10 2/5. So our new fraction would have been 10 2/5, because the 4 and 6 gave you our new whole number, and then the half and 1/3 gave us our new fraction. Now let's go down to the other one. Now, as you can see here, we have 2 2/4 plus 3 1/3. So what is our whole numbers, you see? Well, our whole numbers would have actually been 2 plus 3. So our whole numbers are 2 plus 3, which is equals to 5. So our new whole number is actually 5. Now we will be adding the fractions, not the new fractions, the fractions, which are 2 over 4 plus 1/4, which is equal. I don't know why this one is not going. Like, you just have to see. You guys will just know that it's 2/4. So that would have been a new fraction. So first, we start off by adding the numerators. What are the numerators, you see? But now our numerators are 2 and 1. So let's see. Our numerator would have been 3, because the 2 plus 1 would have given you the 3. So our new numerator is 3. So we put a 3, and then we'll look on the denominator, which are 4 plus 4. So the denominators are actually equal. So that would have been 8. Our new denominators would have been 8. So our new fraction would have been 5 3 8. So if you guys got